Our mission is simple and yet powerful: to empower our student to create a beautiful future.
Welcome to the exciting, creative, and rewarding world of cosmetology, where passion meets professionalism and artistry becomes a career.
In our classrooms, passion meets precision. Our instructor stands nearby, guiding and mentoring.
Excellent control on that brush stroke. You've applied the polish perfectly.
Yeah.
Thank you. It looks great.
Under expert instruction, you'll refine your artistry, perfect your precision, and learn how to deliver flawless, in-demand lash services. At Christina Company Education Center, your education is built on trust, quality, and opportunity.
From day one, you'll have access to the tools, kits, and industry-approved products designed to support your education and set you up for success.
Our on-site store is fully stocked with all the essential professional products every new student needs to get started. No guesswork, no stress.
I think I'm almost done with this section.
The highlights are really lifting well.
Are you comfortable in that chair?
Maintain this angle as you cut the tips. Precision is key to ensuring a clean line and a professional finish.
Welcome to Christina Co. Are you looking for a change today?
Yes, a clean, modern haircut.
Nice job, Kristen.
Here is $500 for you. This will help you purchase additional school supplies.
Our spa services are designed to melt stress on contact as skilled hands work their
Thank you for believing in yourself and for trusting Christina Co Education Center as the place where your beauty career begins. We can't wait